Assalamu alaikum. We are discussing the cost of production. In the last lecture, we defined that cost of production is the expenditure made by the firm while producing a commodity. And we came to the conclusion that there are two types of costs under this. This total variable cost and total fixed cost. So let's define what is variable cost. Variable cost, this is also called this direct cost, or this is also called special cost of production. So what is variable cost? Variable simply means which changes. So it is the cost, variable cost is the cost which varies when the volume of output varies, when the volume of output so variable cost is a cost which changes when the volume of output changes. For example, when we want to produce more, this is the cost, it also increases. When production increases, the cost also increases. So there are some examples of the variable cost. For example, Professor Marshall had introduced three costs on the variable cost on this variable concept. Number one is we can say wage to the labor, wages. When we want to increase the volume of output, we have to we have to hire more laborers. When we have to hire more laborers, so we have to pay more wage to them. So this is the cost which changes, which varies when the volume of output just changes. And also there are expenditure on raw materials. Expenditure on raw materials. So expenditure on raw materials. When we want to produce more, we have to purchase more raw materials. That's why the cost also increases. And also there is depreciation of machines. Depreciation of machines. That is, when we want to produce more and more, the machines gets depreciated after some time. That's when we run machines to produce more and more units of output, if the machines gets depreciated, that is, it loses its value. So we have to make expenditure on the depreciation, like purchase of these nuts, like mobile. That these are the depreciation costs of machines. And again, Marshall introduced these three concepts under variable cost. So variable cost also, simply we can say variable cost is which changes when the volume of output changes. It is, again, there are expenditure on, simply we can say expenditure on electricity fee. एलएसटी फी जब हम ज़्यादा बनाएंगे तो मतलब ये निकलेगा कि जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल आएगा वो भी ज़्यादा आएगा. एलएसटी फी है. तो these are different, there are these different expenditure which are under the title of variable cost. And variable cost, the more important thing on the variable cost is that if firm starts production, if firm stops production, stops production, variable cost becomes equal to zero. That is, if the firm stops production, if the firm shuts down for a period of time, then variable cost becomes equal to zero. That means he does not, if the firm does not want to produce the units of output, if firm shuts down for a period of time, variable this wages comes equal to zero, because he does not have to pay, he does not have to hire the labor, and expenditure on raw materials also comes equal to zero, depreciation of machines comes equal to zero. So if the firm stops production, variable cost comes equal to zero. This is the variable cost. Thank you very much.